everybody. So, cleaning up from my last pour, and I had a lot of paint left that was just on my freezer paper here. So I scooped it all up, and out of curiosity, I was wondering what that would look like if I just did a flip cup. So, I'm going to try. Some white in the middle here. Ooh, I don't have a lot left there. And pop those bubbles. Doo, doo, doo. And I'm just going to give it a quick flip. Let it sit there. It's not quite in the middle. Kind of wants to float around. Gigantic bubbles. Let's get rid of those quick. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see what happens. Okay, one of my pins isn't in all the way. Okay. Ooh, kind of neat. Tiny little swirlies. Stretch it just a little bit. Get rid of those bubbles in it first. There's some really neat little tiny ribbons of color in here. Makes me wish there was just a little bit more that would cover the whole canvas. This doesn't turn out, it's not a big deal. I have a damaged canvas here, it's got a big dent in the side. So I thought I may as well try. Why not? It's kind of made of really pretty light blue. A little muddy. didn't level out my pegs here, so I got a rocking horse going on. Kind of pastel-y. It might make a really nice background for something. Or not. You never know. Kind of looks like a cloudy sky. This corner up here that I'm holding looks pretty neat. But there you have it. Leftover paint drippings that I cleaned up off of my freezer paper here. It does make a really pretty background. It kind of looks like an opal. So guys, you can still have fun even if it's just paint drippings that come off your paintings. And that's what it's all about for me, is a little bit of fun. Who knows, this might be my best piece yet. Oh, I don't know about that. I have ones I like a lot better. But there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you coming to visit. Appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel. So guys, here we go. I'll pull this out a little bit. This is the leftover paint. Scrapings off of the freezer paper. Pretty interesting, and it was fun. Again, bye guys, thanks for visiting.